How to create habits that last. Did you know that 80% of New Year's resolutions fail by February? If you are tired of being part of that statistic, this video is for you. Let's find out how to make your habits stick. Let me tell you the story of someone who successfully followed his plans for change. Towards the end of the video, I will talk about some tips on how to build lasting habits. Meet Alex, who is just your average person juggling life's chaos. Every New Year's Eve, Alex scribbles down resolutions with a hopeful grin, only to watch them fade by February. Sound familiar? We've all danced this dance with fleeting habits. Welcome to Health Tips with Shalom Health. Thanks so much for watching today. This information I'm providing is as accurate as possible as at the time of posting it. Remember, though, of course, that it is for information purposes only. It is not medical advice. Please don't make any changes in your health regimen without talking to your doctor first. If you find value in this video, please like and subscribe so you never miss a new video. If you want to share your story or any helpful tips in your habits journey, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you. Alex wakes up to the sound of an alarm. The room is dim, morning light filtering through the curtains. He rubs his eyes, feeling the weight of tiredness. He stretches, a soft groan escaping his lips. Alex walks to the kitchen, his feet shuffling on the cold floor. He opens the cupboard and pauses, staring at an array of snacks and coffee. The scent of coffee fills the air. Alex, muttering to himself, says, "I'll start eating healthier tomorrow, but maybe just one more cookie today." Every day, Alex promises change, but somehow, those promises get lost in the routine. A few days of trying, then it all slips away. It feels easier to stay in the comfort of old habits, even if they're not helping. Alex is at a cafe with his friend Sarah, both sipping on coffee. Sarah is animated, talking excitedly. Sarah, smiling brightly, says, "I've been hitting the gym every morning, and you know what? I feel amazing. The energy, the focus, it's like a whole new me." Alex's gaze shifts, a little curious. He takes a slow sip of his coffee, the warmth spreading through his hand. Then Alex says, "How do you do it? I mean, you've been so consistent. I can barely keep up with anything for a few days." Sarah laughs, a little teasing. "It's all about starting small. You don't have to change everything overnight. Just take one small habit and stick with it." Something clicks for Alex. Could small manageable changes really work? He's always felt as if he was jumping from one big goal to another. But maybe Sarah's secret was in the small steps. Alex at home, scrolling through his phone late at night. Motivational videos about building habits play on the screen. Alex stops on one, eyes glued to the bright screen, absorbing the words. Alex feels the spark of motivation. Tomorrow is the day, he tells himself. But then, the familiar weight of doubt sets in. What if this is just another empty promise? What if I fail again? Alex leans back on the couch, feeling the fabric of the cushion underneath, the weight of the day dragging on him. Alex, sighing, says to himself, "I've tried before. What makes this time different?" Alex meets his mentor, someone who's been successful at building habits. The mentor is calm, confident. The coach says with a smile, "Building habits is like planting a tree. You don't force it to grow all at once. You give it time, water it regularly, and celebrate the small changes." Start small, one habit, just one. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Alex looking uncertain but intrigued. So it's okay to start small? even if it feels like not enough. And the coach, nodding with warmth, says, absolutely. Small habits done consistently will build the momentum you need to see change. It's not about doing everything right away, it's about progress, one step at a time. Alex's bedroom. The next morning, the soft light of dawn is creeping through the window. Alex wakes up. The air feels cool against his skin. The light outside is still dim, and the world is quiet. He makes a decision. No more excuses. I'll start today. Alex fills a glass with water, the sound of the glass filling with liquid. He takes a sip, the cold water refreshing and sharp against his tongue. Alex said to himself, a little proud, okay, just one small thing, one glass of water. I can do this. Alex at the gym, lifting weights. He feels the strain in his muscles, the scent of sweat filling the air. He pushes through the discomfort, but as he looks around, he feels doubts creeping in. The first few days aren't easy. The gym smells like rubber and effort, and every movement feels like a challenge. Some days Alex wants to quit. Old habits whisper, this isn't for you, but he keeps going. Alex is at home, staring at a healthy salad he had prepared. The freshness of the vegetables contrasts with the pool of junk food sitting on the counter. Alex, sighing but determined. This is it. I'm not turning back now. Alex is tired, sitting on the couch after a long day. He looks at his gym shoes by the door but feels the pull of comfort. Days go by and the temptation to give up becomes stronger. The couch calls louder than the gym, and old habits become more familiar. Alex hesitates, then softly says to himself, I'm not giving up. I've made it this far. Just one more step. Alex is back at the gym. He pushes through the exhaustion, working out even when he doesn't feel like it. The muscles ache, the sweat beads down his forehead, but he feels the sense of accomplishment. In the hardest moments, Alex chooses to show up. The body aches, but the mind clears. Small wins build up, even when the world feels overwhelming. A few weeks later, Alex looks in the mirror, noticing a small but visible change. He looks more energetic, healthier. His clothes fit a bit better. Alex sees the first fruits of his effort. It's not perfect, but it's progress. The small daily actions have added up. The path is clearer now. Change is possible, and it starts with just one small habit. Alex shares his story with Sarah, smiling as they both sip coffee. Alex, smiling, says, I've been sticking to it. Small things, a glass of water, then a workout, then a healthier meal. It feels good to be in control. Sarah nodding with encouragement. That's awesome. See, you just needed to start small and stay consistent. Look at you now. Alex is at the gym, confidently working out. The room filled with the sound of determination. The scent of fresh air through the open window fills his lungs. Alex has transformed. What was once a struggle is now second nature. He has learned that habits don't need to be perfect. It just needs to be consistent. And with every step, Alex becomes stronger. Alex meets with a group of friends, sharing his journey. He's confident, happy, and ready to take on new challenges. His friends noticed, you seem different, happier, more alive, they say. Alex smiles, recognizing that the change isn't just external. By embracing tiny habits and being patient, he has unlocked a sustainable path to growth. It's not just about the actions, but about becoming the kind of person who shows up for themselves every day. By building one small habit, Alex has changed his life, and now he inspires others to take those first steps, one habit at a time. I am now going to share some tips on how to create lasting habits. The first one is find your why. Why does this habit matter to you? For example, someone may say, I want to exercise because I value my health and want to play with my kids for years to come. Intrinsic motivation sustains habits longer than external rewards. Write down your why and revisit it often. Start tiny. Instead of overhauling your entire life overnight, focus on small habits that are so easy it feels like you're almost cheating. Set clear goals. Define specific, measurable goals. Instead of saying, I want to exercise more, say, I will walk for 30 minutes every day. Be consistent. Consistency beats intensity. It's better to walk 10 minutes every day than to run for an hour once a month. Identity matters. Shift your mindset from I want to I am. You're not trying to read more, you're a reader. You're not forcing yourself to exercise. You're someone who values movement. Embrace imperfection. Slip-ups aren't the end, they're part of the process. What matters is getting back on track without harsh self-judgment. Habit stacking. Link a new habit to something you already do. For instance, after you brush your teeth in the morning, take a moment to set an intention for the day. Environment design. Make the good habits easier and the bad ones harder. Keep healthy snacks within reach and tuck away the junk food. Plan for obstacles. Anticipate potential challenges and create a plan to address them. For example, if you know you track your progress. Join communities. Surrounding ourselves with people who embody the habits we aspire to can significantly boost our chances of success. It might be interesting to explore communities or groups that align with the changes you want to make. Connecting with like-minded individuals could be the catalyst that propels your habits journey forward. Celebrate small wins. Every time you stick to your habit, no matter how tiny, give yourself some credit. Positive reinforcement goes a long way. Changing your life doesn't require monumental efforts overnight. It's the accumulation of tiny decisions made consistently. Imagine where you could be a year from now, just with a small habit nurtured each day. So, what's the first tiny step you can take today towards becoming the person you want to be? More information. There are other videos on this channel that deal with how to live a healthy lifestyle using the 9 pillars of health and how to reduce cancer risk in general, as well as other health topics that you may find useful. Please watch them for more information. It would be nice to hear of your experiences with making New Year resolutions, your challenges, your successes, so that other people may learn. Please do that on the comments page. Please like, share, or subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening content like this. Stay curious and stay informed until next time. Thanks for watching. God bless.